Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, I will be introducing you to this risk management calculator. This calculator can help you calculate a perfect lot size to use in a trade and avoid risking more than a particular amount. Also, you can use this calculator to review how much you will lose in a trade or how much you stand to gain. Also, as you can see, you can use this calculator to determine the perfect place to put your stop loss order in it. I have a link to this calculator in the description below. You can go ahead and visit the page now so that you can follow along with everything I will be doing in this video. Having said that, let's get started. Once you click on the link below, you will be brought to a page that looks like this. As you can see, we have 5 different calculators here. Each of them has different functionality and ways they operate. I will walk you through them one by one. The first one here is the profit and loss calculator. This calculator helps you review how much you stand to gain and how much you stand to lose in a trade once you set your stop loss level and take profit price level. Once you click on this calculate button, it brings you to a page that looks like this. As you can see, you need to input 5 parameters to use this calculator: the entry price, stop loss price, closing price, the lot size that you want to use, and the type of order you want to place. Once you input all these values and click on the calculate button here, this calculator will help you calculate how much you stand to win and how much you stand to lose. If your risk is too high, you can adjust your stop loss, choose the appropriate order type, and then tap the calculate button again. Once you are done using this calculator, you can select another calculator at the menu bar here or click on this button to be taken to the home page. The next calculator here is the lot size calculator. This calculator helps you calculate the perfect lot size to use in a trade and avoid losing more than your risk limit. Once you click on this button, it brings you to a page that looks like this. As you can see here, you need to input 4 major values: the entry price, stop loss price, risk limit, and the index you want to trade. Once you input all these values and tap this calculate button, the perfect lot size you should use will be displayed here. If the lot size calculated is less than the minimum lot size for the asset you selected, the calculator will prompt you to adjust your stop loss. If you are placing a buy order in this case, you must reduce your stop loss price before you tap calculate again. On the other hand, if you place a sell order, you must increase your stop loss price before you tap calculate again. Having said that, let's move on to the next calculator. The next one here is the PIP calculator. This calculator helps you calculate the PIP value when you set the entry price and closing prices of your trade. To use it, just tap on this button, and you will be brought to this page. As you can see, you need to give this calculator 3 main values: the entry price, the closing price, and the lot size you want to use for your trade. Once you finish entering them, you then tap on this calculate button, and the PIP value will be displayed here. Moving on, we have a stop loss level calculator. This calculator can help you determine the best place for your stop loss price level. To use this calculator, just tap on this button here, and you will be brought to this page. As you can see, this calculator requires 4 main inputs. First is the entry price, second is the risk limit, third is the lot size, and last is the order type. Once you input all these values and tap the calculate button, our calculator will help you determine the perfect stop loss level for you. The last calculator here is the take profit level calculator. This calculator helps you calculate the perfect place to put your take profit level in order to target a particular amount. As you can see here, this calculator requires 4 major inputs: entry price, target profit, lot size, and order type. After you enter all of these values and press the calculate button, this calculator will help you determine the best place to put your take profit price level. And that is the end of this video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. I will do my best to attend to them. Before you click off, don't forget to like and share this video so it can get across to others. Thanks for watching.